Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today I am going to show you how you can see your Apple ID password on iPhone. So let's dive in. So the first thing you want to do is click on settings, then you want to click on your profile on the top of your screen. Click on profile to see your Apple ID. Then you want to click on password and security. Click on password and security, then click on change password, and I'm going to type in my passcode. Then I'm going to create a new password. So you just type in your new password, and after creating a new password, that's going to be a new password. And that's how you do it, guys. If you found this information helpful, be sure to leave a comment, like, and subscribe for more content like this. Thank you guys for watching this video.